to create SAP UFI application using SAP Business Application Studio. So once you get into your global account, you need to create a sub account. Once you click on the sub account, or you get inside the sub account, you will get multiple options in your left hand. If you will see the third one, subscriptions, you need to click on this, and once you click on subscriptions, you need to search here SAP Business Application Studio, and you'll get your application studio. Once you click on this link, it would give you a detailed explanation of this tool, and you need to subscribe this service. From me, it is already subscribed, so I can directly go to the application. Once you click on the subscribe button, you need to go to application. Once you will click on this, it will launch the SAP Business Application Studio tool in a separate window. Once you will open this, I just decrease the resolution. I think now you can see it better. And if you'll see, there's different tools or different things they have provided, which I'm going to show you just now. You have to create a new dev space for you. For me, it's already created, that is Fury_dev, but I show you how do we create a new dev space. That is means a different instance of SAP Business Application Studio, or you can say the kind of workbox, right? So for you have to define the purpose for what you want this new dev space. You want it for cloud business application, want it for HANA native application, or you just want a basic version of it, or you are going to develop the SAP Fury or UFI application. Since we are going to develop the SAP UFI app, so I have just selected it true, and here I give a dev space name that could be QUA, quality Fury, and this name is completely up to you. You can decide anything you want, and you have to select all of them, because these tools are very important in terms of developing SAP workflow or SAP UFI applications, right? So make sure you just checked all of them, and then you click on create dev space. It would create a new dev space for you, that is QUA Fury, and here I have Fury dev, which is already running. Currently this instance is stopped, so I just have to click on run, and then you will see it is giving me the option that I can run only one dev at a time. So I just stop this one, and because I need to show you how do we create SAP UFI application using this tool. So for that I have to create a new dev space, which I can show you how do we configure this, right? So just a moment, and it's going to start now. Once this status becomes green, that means it has started, and then we can, like, this link would be activated once it would be started, right? Then we click on this and we can get into the SAP Business Application Studio tool. So I think we have to wait for a second. Okay, here it is. Now it's running, and as I told you, this would be activated. Click on this link, and now it would take you to SAP Business Application Studio. So for the first time when you log into this, like, it would load the necessary tools and templates and everything, so let it happen. And here, if you will see on the bottom left corner, right, it is asking the organization and the space in Cloud Foundry have not been set. So if we click on this, we will get the option to set it. That I'm going to show you just in a moment. But before that, I just have to select your workspace. So you just click on this open workspace, right? Here you select projects and you just click on open. So your workspace would be ready this time. Okay, I think probably you can see this, that this is my workspace projects, right? And now before starting it, I want to show you in the bottom left area. If you will see, the organization's tab space in CF have not been set. So you just have to click on this, and you have to tell which endpoint you're gonna use, right? So for me, this is the endpoint which is automatically coming, right? Because I have entered the Euro Frankfurt region I have selected when I was creating my account. Then I just have to press enter. Then I have to write my email address, right, by which I'm accessing this SAP Cloud Platform, the account, right? So the same account I need to put. So I just tell you which email that we are going to show here. If you will go to your cloud platform, if you will click on user information, you will get your email address, right? So this is my email address that I'm going to put it here, right? And once I click on enter, it would ask me confirm my password, right? So I have to see my password, and I'm just guessing right now. It should be right. Oh, cool. It's correct, right? Now I have to select my organization since I have one organization. If I can show you quickly, this is my organization. This is basically my trial account, right? So this is my organization I have selected. Now it is asking me which space I need to select. So if you see in my trial account, here is an option called spaces where we have all our application in Cloud Foundry. So I just click on this spaces, and I'll check how many spaces I have. I have only one. So there is a detailed video, where I have explained all the components of SAP Cloud Platform. But currently we are looking forward to create a SAP application, right? So this is the dev, and I just open this. So there are multiple applications. So I would select dev definitely, because in this one, because that is basically mean where do you want to deploy your application, right? So for that you have to select a path. Now this is a path. First I entered my email address and password just to log in the CF. Then I selected my organization, and then I selected one space name. There I want to put my application. Okay,